Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a landing page on Wix. We will begin by exploring the intuitive Wix editor, where you can either select from hundreds of professionally designed templates or start with a blank canvas. It is crucial to first define your landing page's primary objective, whether it is generating leads, promoting an event, or driving sales. Then, craft a compelling call to action that guides your visitors toward that specific goal, making their next step clear and effortless. Next, focus on the visual appeal and messaging of your landing page. Incorporate high-quality images and videos that resonate with your target audience, capturing their attention immediately. Craft compelling headlines that grab interest within 3 to 5 seconds, and write concise body text that clearly communicates your value proposition. Remember, visitors often scan, so make your key information easily digestible and visually appealing. To maximize your landing page's effectiveness, prioritize conversion optimization. Position your primary call to action prominently, ideally within the top 1/3 of the page, ensuring it is immediately visible without scrolling. If using a form, keep it simple with only 2 or 3 essential fields to reduce friction. Continuously test different elements, such as headlines, button colors, and imagery, to discover what resonates best with your audience and drives higher conversions. Finally, it is time to publish your landing page and begin tracking its performance. Connect a custom domain to give your page a professional and trustworthy appearance. Once live, share your landing page across all relevant marketing channels, from social media to email campaigns. Regularly monitor key metrics like conversion rate, bounce rate, and traffic sources to understand visitor behavior and make informed adjustments for continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.